Hey, hi, how you doing? So today, little Raptor update. We're gonna throw some new wheels, new shoes, if you will, on the Raptor, and I think they're gonna look pretty damn good. So let's take a look at them. These are the 1552 Traverse HD in block bronze. I think they're gonna look really good against the lead foot gray on the truck. And if you're wondering what the specs they are 17 by 8.5. They're 17 by 8.5s. With a 0 offset. So you might be wondering why I'm switching to aftermarket wheels when I have the factory OEM beadlocks. And while those wheels are beautiful wheels from the factory, I just want to try a different look. There's a lot of lead foot gray Raptors out there, especially 2020s that are running these wheels. And I just want my truck to look a little bit different. And if I don't really like the look, then I'll swap them out for the OEM wheels with the beadlock rings again.
That's what we like to see.
I like that, bro.
Thanks, Ben.
Good, man.
I like it.
So the truck looks really good, but it's also really dirty. So we're gonna get it washed here over at Walter White's Car Wash here in Albuquerque because, well, it's the car wash I go to. So the truck's nice and clean, and I really like the look of it. I don't think you can see it because it's not in focus, but it looks really good. So let me just give you a closer look real quick. All right, so we'll just start from the back so you can kind of see the offset and how they stick out a little bit more than stock. And I really like the color against the lead foot gray. I think the block bronze looks excellent. Like, that looks just really clean in my opinion. So I'm really happy with it. Okay, I think it looks really good in those detail shots. Like, the color scheme of the bronze with the gray just looks really, really good on this truck. And I really like kind of the way the truck is starting to look without the graphics on the side and on the hood, but a little bit of the, you know, I got those Ford Performance decals on the hood and that kind of thing. I think it pairs nicely with the wheels. So overall, I'm really happy with the direction of the truck, but I got some more mods on the way. Figured I'd do this one real quick to keep you guys updated on what's going on with the Raptor, even though I'm making a lot of different types of videos lately. So thanks for sticking around. I appreciate your support. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.